How to get Roblox on the Nintendo Switch. In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to play Roblox on your Nintendo Switch. So first, go to the system settings, internet, then internet settings. Select your Wi-Fi network, then tap change settings. Scroll to DNS settings, then switch it to manual and enter this number 045.055.142.122. Once connected, a browser will open automatically. Then search for roblox.com, log in and start playing. Important note, since Roblox isn't officially on the Switch, some features may not work perfectly. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe and hit the notification bell for more quick tutorials. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.